All right, guys, we are back. This is the video today. I'm going to show you guys how to buy XRP on BitForex. This is the website I'm using to buy XRP. I personally hold XRP on this exchange as well. There is Uphold. You can buy on this website called Uphold. I'm pretty sure they have an app as well. But I looked at the reviews and it was a mixed bag. And I already been holding my OMI token on this exchange as well. So I just hold my XRP on it as well. So let's get into it. This is a very cool website, guys. It's the world's leading one-stop digital asset service platform. This is a little look of their website. They hold the Shimu token, a lot of different projects, but like I said, a leading platform. Over 200 plus countries supported, 300 trading pairs, over 500 million people on this website. Great customer service. I actually did have a problem once with getting my Bitcoin onto this account just because it took longer than anticipated and they were holding my hand along the entire way, and of course I ended up getting my Bitcoin, so don't worry about that. But it's a great website and it's very trusted and it's credible. So let's get into it. So I'll just show you guys my assets just to show you that everything that I promote on this YouTube channel, I back as well. So this is my wallet. And as you can see, I hold over 700 XRP on this wallet. And then I hold OMI token as well, which is 70,000 tokens of that. But if you guys want to get XRP and you want to use BitForex, this is what you guys want to do. And before I exactly show you that, I'm just going to mention real quick, there is a referral system. I'm going to have the link for that in the description of this video as well. That's my invitation code, and this will be the link. You'll see it in the description down beneath, so please check that out. If you end up using BitForex, I highly recommend you just please use the referral system because it will benefit both of us. As you can see, I've only received 9 invites from people so far within the Discord, but we each get a little commission and it's nice. It adds up. So I got 3,000 Shiba once, a little bit of free OMI as well, and we basically just get portions of our assets whenever we purchase them through the exchange. So yeah, so that's my wallet, and the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to go to deposit. And after you go to deposit, I highly recommend that you select Bitcoin. You can select Bitcoin or you can select Ethereum. So I use a Bitcoin because Ethereum, there's more expensive gas fees. And what you basically do is you get this address right here and you copy it, and then you paste that into your Bitcoin address of where you want to send Bitcoin to your BitForex account. So I'm going to be sending it from my from my Coinbase account to BitForex. I'm going to do probably $25 for this video. But you can also do a fiat transaction as well, but I would not recommend it because there is a middleman in beneath, and the third party essentially charges you an additional fee. So it's cheaper and it's a lot easier to use if you just use cryptocurrency. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to copy this link right now, and I'm going to go onto my Coinbase account real quick. This is my Coinbase account. This is the exchange that I'm going to use to send Bitcoin to my BitForex account for you guys. So just to go back onto BitForex, what you have to do again is I'm on the deposit section right now on BitForex. I selected Bitcoin, and then you copy this address. And as you can see, I've already done 4 successful transactions on BitForex to this exchange. So then you just go to Coinbase. I'm going to do $25 because that's what I'm just going to do for the purpose of this video. And then you copy that into the 2, and then for the note, I'll just do XRP tutorial just to show you guys. And then I hit continue right here on the computer. And you can also do this on your phone as well, but for simple purposes for the video, I'm doing it on my laptop so I can stream it for you guys. And then the estimated amount of arrival for this to be received to BitForex is about 30 minutes. So guys, once you send this money up to, just got to do this code real quick. Got on my cell phone 9319442. Oh shit. 9319442. 9442. While I'm doing this, guys, please hit the like button if you guys haven't already yet, and subscribe to the channel if you are liking this video so far. We will be posting a lot of content on this channel in the near future. And as you can see right now, that I just sent $25 to my BitForex account, and it's probably going to take about 30 minutes. Right now in the time, you can see that it's 8:16 p.m. It might take a little bit longer than 30 minutes because there's a lot going on right now in this crypto bull cycle. So many people are transferring payments everywhere, so it might be a little bit longer than that 30 minutes. But I'm going to end this video now, and then I am going to show you guys when I'm done, once this is transferred into the account, and then you'll just be able to see it pop up. Again, guys, do not be scared if it's 10, 20, 30 minutes, 40 minutes and there's nothing happening yet. I can assure you that if you are copying this address perfectly and pasting into your Coinbase, you will get your money. I guarantee that. So I will be right back. Okay, guys, we are back, and I have refreshed my computer screen, and as you can see right there, that it took about 10-15 minutes to be uploaded onto the deposit history on my BitForex, and then about an additional 25 minutes for it to get officially sent through to my BitForex. So as you can see right here, my 0.00063911 Bitcoin has delivered to my BitForex account. So the very first step that you guys do is you have to go to transfer, Bitcoin selected, and this was sent to my wallet. What you want to do is send it to your spot exchange wallet, so you can purchase your XRP on the spot exchange. So all I have to do is hit wallet and then to spot account, and then I'll just hit transfer all, confirm, and transfer succeed. Now just to double check, you go to my account, and then instead of wallet, you hit spot account. And as you can see, all of my Bitcoin is here, and I'm ready to buy XRP. So the very next step that you have to do is just simply hit spot right here. And how you buy XRP is that you buy in with fiat, so USD Tether. So all you have to do is you go to the spot exchange and you're in Bitcoin, and you search for Bitcoin, you select it, and then what you want to do is just sell all of your Bitcoin into Tether, and then use that Tether to buy XRP. So right here, they have a very nice cool setting trade up. You can add indicators as well, trend lines, all that fun stuff with TradingView. They implemented that with BitForex. But you just go down to here and you go to sell. You hit 100%. And as you can see, it's about $23 for my Tether. And you just hit sell Bitcoin. And then the order is right here. And then it fills it whenever it gets filled. And then it will be submitted. So I can just, as you can see, the order just got filled. So then the next step is you have all the Tether. So now you buy the XRP and you do the same exact thing. It's a very easy video, guys, but not a lot of people know about it. And it's very hard to find a video, a tutorial like this to show you how to buy XRP. So that's why I'm bringing it for you guys. So now you just select XRP. As you can see, it's trading at about $1. And this is the chart again. And instead of the sell side, you go to the buy. So you hit 100% again. And just for shits and gigs, I am going to make it $1 just to make it 100% certain that I am able to get this Tether. And I already had $3 in my Tether account, so I'm just going to hit buy XRP. Order comes down here. And as you can see, the order is submitted. And then you go to assets again. And then you go to your spot account. And as you can see, guys, I have $26 in XRP in my spot account. And the very last step that you do for this video is you go back to transfer. And then instead of Bitcoin, you search XRP. And then you go from spot account to your wallet, transfer all, confirm, transfer successful. You go to my assets. There you have it. I now have 780 XRP instead of 760. And guys, this is literally the video. As you can see, you can buy so many different crypto projects on this exchange. All you have to do is research, does BitForex support OMI token, XRP, Matic, you name it. Here's a big list of them, as you can see right here. It's just an endless scroll. So there's so many different projects on this platform that you can trade with on the spot exchange. And if, again, guys, if this video benefited you, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of educational content as well as vlogs, as well as podcast. So much more is to come on this YouTube channel. Check out all our videos if you haven't already. And I am happy that I'm able to show you guys today how to buy XRP, because it's a project of mine that I have high conviction for, and not many people know how to buy it. So there you guys go. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. It helps the algorithm to leave a comment. If you're thankful, then thank you guys so much, and just be ready for the next video.